Good afternoon. So I just thought I'd do a wee update. It's been a few months since I installed the neutral link on the Road King and the gear linkage. These aren't brand names. It's not an easy shift. They're by no means they're Chinese made, but they are made from billet aluminium or aluminum for my American friends. Awesome. I wouldn't waste my money on easy shift stuff. I got the gear linkage and I got the neutral shift for less than £30, less than $35. And they're brilliant. They're absolutely fantastic. I can't knock it. I will put the links in the description. So if you're down in the description, you'll see the links. I'll just give you a wee look here so you can see what they look like on the bike. But by no means, unless you're into spending big money on parts and stuff, I mean, I don't. They're all made from the same material. They're all milled out, and these are great. Absolutely fantastic. I can't knock it. I wouldn't waste my money on it at all. If I went to buy these online from a brand name, they would have cost me the guts of 150 quid, plus postage, plus it would have been over 150 quid. I would have had to pay import taxes on it. No chance. I got them both for under 30 quid, under $35. They do exactly what it says on the tin. Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant stuff. Absolutely love it. But anyway, I'll flip the camera around here and I'll show you just what they look like on the bike. So as you can see there, that's the linkage for the neutral, and then that was the billet aluminium gear linkage on the bike. And really and truly, I just can't knock those. Work absolutely fantastic. I have no issues finding neutral now. Lights and stuff, I was hopping up and down between second and first. Now I have absolutely no issues whatsoever finding that. Brilliant stuff. As I said, guys, I'll put the links where I bought them in the description. And if I were you, I wouldn't waste your money. I mean, they've been on there. I've been riding about now for a few months and I've had absolutely no issues with them whatsoever. You know, it's entirely up to yourselves what you want to do. But if you can get it for that, it gives you room to buy more stuff for your bike, you know. If you're saving for a new seat, new bars, you know, whatever, then you've got more money to put towards that. You know what I mean? More money towards maintenance, tires, important stuff. You know what I mean? But hey, as I say, it's up to yourselves. But this is the route I go. So anyway, if you like my videos, I'm just an old guy. I'm in my mid-50s and I'm killing time. And this is the one way to kill time. You know, keeps me off the streets, keeps me real. Take it easy.